Um, Hello, my dear. My name is Olga Chariva. As you know, I'm an owner of YouTube channel Zenan Sesi, and I'm an activist, also a member of MEHEC, which stands uh, Milli Khalas Yetish Committee. I'm here today in New York, in the front of United Nations. I would like to talk in English. It's because of some fake oppositioners translated from our YouTube channel that we are as a terrorist promoting terrorism among the Turkmen people, and then many things, very negative things about us. That's why no need to translation anymore. Um, so I would like to talk about these people who lived in Turkey, that Merdan Muhamedov, Umida Bekchanova, Malik Alamradov, uh, Farhat Durdiyev, Ravshan Klijev, and many others kidnapped from Turkey, illegally kidnapped from Turkey to Turkmenistan, and then extradited to Turkmenistan. Also, some of our journalists, he claimed that he's a Turkmen journalist. His name is Alamrat Rahimov. His birth name Alamrat Rahimov, but his present name Murat Rahimov. He's a citizen of Canada and residing in Czech Republic. So I would like to talk about him a little bit because he's directly involved in this illegal human trafficking. It's not my word, it's his word. He said in his YouTube channel, when the Merdan Muhamedov arrested, he couldn't even hide his happiness, and right away made a video, and he claimed that he financially supporting them. Whoever wants to report these who criticizing Turkmen regime, he's against them, and he's collaborating with Turkmen authorities and then Turkish authorities, and then he's involved in this kind of crime. So I would like to bring attention of Canadian authorities and Canadian embassy in the United States, also Czech Republic authorities and Czech Republic embassy in United States, bring their attention to this serious situation, serious crime, who was involved in their citizen involved in this kind of crime. His name is Alamrat Rahimov. His birth name is Alamrat Rahimov, but present name is Murat Rahimov. So please take this in serious consideration. Thank you very much.